Death penalty in Saudi Arabia is beheading. Death penalty in Brazil is shooting. Death penalty in Pakistan is hanging. Death penalty in United States is electric chair. Death penalty in Germany is burying alive. Death penalty in Bangladesh is hanging. Death penalty in Afghanistan is shooting. Death penalty in Indonesia is firing squad. Death penalty in China is lethal injection. Death penalty in Japan is hanging. Death penalty in United Kingdom burning alive. Death penalty in Syria is hanging. Death penalty in North Korea is firing squad. Death penalty in Singapore is hanging. Death penalty in UAE is stoning. Death penalty in Thailand is lethal injection. Death penalty in Qatar is firing squad. Please subscribe to the channel. Death penalty in Yemen is shooting. Death penalty in Taiwan is stoning. Death penalty in Iran is hanging. Death penalty in Philippines is lethal gas injection. Death penalty in Malaysia is hanging. Death penalty in Somalia is firing squad. Death penalty in Belarus is shooting. Death penalty in Iraq is hanging. Death penalty in Vietnam is lethal injection. Death penalty in Egypt is hanging. Death penalty in Libya is shooting. Death penalty in South Korea is hanging. Death penalty in Norway is beheading. Death penalty in Cuba is firing squad. Death penalty in Jamaica is hanging. Death penalty in Sudan is firing squad. Death penalty in Russia is shooting. Death penalty in India is hanging. Death penalty in Algeria is firing squad. Death penalty in South Africa is hanging. Death penalty in Ukraine is electric chair. Death penalty in Turkey is burning alive. Death penalty in Switzerland is shooting. Death penalty in Colombia is firing squad. Death penalty in Canada is hanging. Please subscribe the channel and follow the Facebook page. Thanks for watching the full video.